Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. We're excited to have you with us again. Let's dive into today's health tips and continue our journey towards a healthier lifestyle together. Are you tired of forking over your hard-earned cash for pricey protein powders and fancy supplements? Let me tell you, building muscle and staying healthy on a budget doesn't have to be a nightmare. Looking for high-protein foods that won't break the bank? Wait till you see number 5. It has the most protein of them all. Let's dive in. In this video, I'll share 5 budget-friendly protein sources, their nutritional benefits, and how they can help you stay healthy and strong. We're talking about real food, packed with flavor and protein, without emptying your wallet. Get ready to ditch the expensive protein shakes and embrace these affordable alternatives that will have you feeling like $1,000,000. First up, we've got a true breakfast champion, eggs. Don't underestimate these little beauties. They're packed with 13 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them a fantastic and affordable way to fuel your day. But it's not just about the protein, you donkey. Eggs are loaded with essential vitamins like A, B12, D, and choline, which are crucial for brain function, healthy vision, and strong bones. We need those bones strong, especially in the kitchen where all the action happens. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile. Fry them up sunny side up for a classic breakfast, scramble them with some veggies for a quick and nutritious lunch, or poach them to perfection for a sophisticated dinner. The possibilities are endless. So next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on eggs and give your body the protein punch it deserves without breaking the bank. Next on our protein hit list are lentils and beans. These little powerhouses are nutritional gold mines, offering 6 to 9 grams of protein per 100 grams, along with a hefty dose of B vitamins, iron, and fiber. Don't let their size fool you. Lentils and beans are nutritional powerhouses, providing a sustained release of energy thanks to their high fiber content. Say goodbye to those midday energy crashes. And it gets better. The iron in lentils and beans is vital for healthy blood flow, carrying oxygen throughout your body and keeping you energized. And the fiber, well, that's your gut's best friend, promoting healthy digestion and keeping you regular. So, whether you're whipping up a hearty lentil soup, tossing them into a refreshing salad, or simmering them in a flavorful stew, lentils and beans are a budget-friendly way to add a protein punch to any meal. Now, who's got a craving for something nutty and delicious? Peanut butter, you magnificent bastard. With a whopping 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, peanut butter is a delicious and budget-friendly way to get your protein fix. But hold on, there's more to this creamy delight than meets the eye. Peanut butter is also packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage, keeping you looking and feeling younger. And let's not forget about B vitamins, which are essential for energy production, and magnesium, a mineral that's crucial for muscle recovery and relaxation. So, whether you're recovering from a tough workout or just need a healthy snack, peanut butter has got you covered. Spread it on toast, add it to smoothies, or grab a spoonful straight from the jar. Just be warned, this stuff is addictive. Last but not least, let's talk about chicken thighs and ground turkey. These poultry powerhouses are packed with 17 to 27 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them a fantastic and affordable way to fuel your muscles. But here's the kicker. Chicken thighs and ground turkey are often much cheaper than chicken breast, yet they're just as nutritious. Don't be fooled by the higher price tag of chicken breast. You can get the same nutritional benefits for a fraction of the cost. Chicken thighs and ground turkey are also excellent sources of B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system. We need those immune systems strong, especially during flu season. So, ditch the expensive cuts of meat and embrace the delicious versatility of chicken thighs and ground turkey. Roast them, grill them, or toss them into stir-fries for a protein-packed meal that won't break the bank. And finally, the one that shocks most people, world of canned tuna and sardines. They have the highest protein content in this list. Now let's dive into These swimmers are bursting with protein, offering a whopping 29 grams per 100 grams for tuna and 25 grams for sardines. They're like the superheroes of the sea. And don't forget about vitamin D and B12, both found in abundance in these little fishies. Vitamin D is crucial for strong bones and a healthy immune system, while B12 keeps your energy levels up and your brain firing on all cylinders. So, ditch those expensive fish fillets and reach for a can of tuna or sardines instead. They're incredibly versatile, perfect for sandwiches, salads, or even enjoyed straight out of the can. There you have it. 5 budget-friendly protein options that are nutritious, affordable, and easy to cook. We've got eggs, lentils and beans, peanut butter, chicken thighs and ground turkey, canned tuna and sardines. No more excuses for skimping on protein. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy food tips. Remember, eating healthy on a budget doesn't have to be a load of bollocks.